Hello student, today we are going to do exercise number 13.3. Find the number of line of symmetry in each of the following shape and how you will check your answer. So these are the shape and you have to check the line of symmetry. So first we go for the first figure, that is A. So how many line of symmetry we can give? In this given shape we can give 4 line of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So line A, B, C and D. So in the given shape there are 4 line of symmetry. They are line A, B, C and D. Now the figures B, it's a Christmas tree. In the Christmas tree you can give only a 1 line of symmetry. The given shape has only a 1 line of symmetry, that is line L. Now in this shape how many line of symmetry you can give? There is T1 and T2. Line of symmetry, that is T1 and T2 are the 2 line of symmetry in the given shape. Now here you can see this is the shape. So how many line of symmetry you can give in the figure D, E and F? So let's see. In D we can give 2 line of symmetry, that is S1 and S2. In E we can give only a 1 line of symmetry in this trigon. So line L is the 1 line of symmetry of the given shape, right? And in this figure, that is the arrow, in this we can give a 2 line of symmetry, that is line L1 and L2. Now folding in any figure along a line, if 2 parts of the figure are exactly in the coincided with each other, then this line is a line of symmetry in the given figure. Now we go to the question number 2. Copy the following figure in a square paper and complete each of the following result figure with a 2 dotted line of symmetry. So here one figure is already given. You have to complete by giving this line, by giving this line and this line. So how we will do this figure? So in the first figure what you will do is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the second figure how you will draw the figure? You have to draw like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way you can draw the second figure. In C you can draw, already this figure is given, you have to draw the same figure this side and this side. So you have to cover the rest 3 sides. One side is already given, this side is given to you. 1 and 2 and 3. Here 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. D. Now E. In E you have to draw a drawing like this way. And in F you have to draw in this way. So this is your question number 2. Now we go for the question number 3. In each figure along a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take a mirror image of the letter in the given line for which the letter looks the same after the reflection. That is, which letter look the same in the image and which not. Can you guess why? So we have to try out this. Try for O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, U and V. So let's try with the different figures. So first we try with O, then N, then L, then V, then E, then P, H, then S, X. So observe the following mirror image. So we have observed this, the mirror image. So just put in your O and see in the mirror, you will get the reflection like this. So this is the completion of your exercise number 13.2. And dear student, please mark this definition. This definitions will be asked in the exam. A figure have a line of symmetry if a line has been drawn dividing the figure into the 2 identical parts, then this line is called a line of symmetry. This is important what we have discussed. So what is a line of symmetry? A figure have a line of symmetry if a line has been drawn dividing by the figure into 2 identical parts. This line is called a line of symmetry. So this is the completion of your exercise number 13.3. Thank you children.